Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. With the passage of time, we have forgotten the real happiness which we derive from the real photography. Why? With the age of advent of digital photography and storing everything in SD cards or in your laptops or in your mobile camera phone, and with your mobile camera phone, the actual happiness which we used to derive from having a physical copy of the photograph in your hand is somewhere lost on the way. Today's unboxing video is to revive all those memories of having your memories stored in physical hard copy or physical photographs. So let's get started and do the unboxing of Instax Mini 11. So this is the Amazon cover. So if you see, this is the Fujifilm Instax gift box. You can see the name here. It says Instax instant cameras and for smartphone printers. First let us cover and see what is outside the box. So here it says Instax gift box Mini 11 blush pink. This is the color. You have 5 more choices to choose the color from. You can check in the website as to what colors you can choose. This is the blush pink one, and you can see here manufacturer's name, model, color, net quantity, price, imported and marketed by customer card, feedback, and here it says individual items are not for resale, meaning this is coming as a box. And some pictures here. Same thing. Iconic design selfie mirror. This side. Instax gift box. The contents here you can see Instax Mini 11 camera 1 unit, Instax bunting, Instax album, Instax mini glossy film 10 shots pack, AA batteries, warranty card. These are free promotional accessories with the camera, and the images of these free promotional accessories may vary from inside. Individual promotional units are not for retail sale, and it has the importer's address and other details. So now let's open this up. So this seems to be the album. Let's open this up as well. So this you get credit card size photographs which you can store in this. This is made for that, to be able to fit in the credit card size photographs which you take out from the Mini 11. Let's keep this here. Here you have the case for keeping your photographs, probably which you can hang it up. Many cute little colors and prints. You can see the various prints. All cartoons. So let's also keep those here. And this is the cord or jute thread wherein you can hang, and these are the cute little clips which you can use to pin in the pictures and hang it up with this with the help of this thread, with this rope. Let's keep these also here. And this is the what to say, I can call it magazine, where you can get 10 Polaroid papers, or which you can use to take print of instant photographs from this camera. Now coming to the camera itself. I'll have to tilt it up. It's very snugly fit. So this is the box. Let's see what's on the box. Now it says Instax Mini 11 camera, Mini 11 instant camera, blush pink, and too much of text here. I'll put a photograph of this text if someone is interested. Same here for this. So now let's open this. You can see the warning here. Do not open the back cover until you have used up the film, otherwise the rest of the film is exposed and turns white. The film can no longer be used. This is a set of instructions, shutter accessory for Instax Mini 11 user guide. You can see how it is there. Precautions for holding the camera. Where is English? Yes. When holding the camera, do not cover the AE light sensor or flash light sensor with your finger. Doing so will prevent image to look whitish. Same set of instructions here. So these are the names of the parts. Now let's take the camera out. Okay, I'm getting some more things in here. Let's keep this aside. So this runs on AA batteries. You can see the AA batteries are already provided. And these are cute little buttons for the shutter, where probably it will be easy to hold it if you are shooting in less favorable lighting conditions. And this is the holder cord, which you can wrap around your wrist so that you get a good grip, and for safety purposes there is no fear of it slipping out of your hand. This is the camera. This is the selfie mirror. Here you can see it says focus range 0.3 meters and Instax lens 60 mm, Instax Mini 11. You have the this is the film magazine compartment, where you load the Polaroid paper, and this is the battery compartment. I'll just put in the batteries. This is the shutter button, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Here This is made in Thailand. You can see the model number here. If you see the overall weight of the camera, this is very handy. Like the olden times, you can hold the camera and shoot pictures. All the edges are curved up, so there are no really sharp edges. If you see the grip wise, you can hold it without getting yourself hurt in any way. So that's it. I'll take some pictures and probably add it on to the video once I load the magazine. So all good. So if you have to click the pictures, you just have to press the shutter camera. You will get a light here, meaning the flash is ready to take pictures. You can take regular pictures by putting it like this. In which case you can see through this camera, through this lens. Or if you are taking a selfie camera, you can see through the mirror here, the small mirror. You can actually see my face here. So that's how it is. If you have to close it, you just have to press it back. To avail warranty, register your product, scan the QR code or register it in the website. So this is the card for that. You can see the letter from the company, kind of. I'm just sliding in the lanyard here. You have two places where you can put it. I'm putting it on the top near the lens. Just have to slide it in and then pull it up like this. Done. So you can use it hands-free. You can have it safely wrapped up around your wrist so that you can take great pictures. Let's load the camera. So this is the film here, instant film with 10 sheets. I'm going to open this up. This is how the box is. Okay, I guess this should go like this. Let's see the instructions. Yes. Yeah. And then close it. So this is how I put it. You can see the yellow spot here, yellow one, that should get aligned with this dot here, yellow mark here, and you can see these two, this gets aligned with this here. So I'm closing it. Now I think this is ready to go. This is the first picture which we took without any kind of lighting. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.